touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all, and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body, as long as you dreaming about me.
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another hair video. Today I'm showing you guys another beautiful unit by Nadula hair. Of course, I love to show you guys the beautiful packaging, everything that I get inside of my box. So the first thing I have is their lace band. I always recommend you guys to use this. And of course, I get the dust bag because sometimes I do not keep the box, so this helps store the wig inside, okay? I also get another band. I get a transparent wig cap, some lashes, and of course the wigs. Right out of the box, out of the packaging, I saw through that this lace is everything. So this is already plucked and is already bleached, so you do not have to bleach the knots, okay? It's already done for you. This is the construction of the unit. You do get combs on the side, you get the band inside, and yes, with this band you can adjust it to make it tighter or looser as you please, and you get a comb in the back, okay? So as you guys can see, it was very easy for me to just put on. It is comfortable ear to ear. The wig is really comfortable, so I did not have any trouble placing the wig on. Also, as you guys can see, the curls are really pretty. The texture is a water wave texture, and this hair is 24 inches long. So you guys, I just had to position it to, you know, on my head, but other than that, everything just laid down really flat and good. So after placing the wig on, I realized that I don't have to use any type of like, you know, strong glue. I just needed to use my adhesive spray. This wig did lay down very good. So it does lay down flat and it doesn't bulk either. So I love that. And I just fixed the baby hairs that was already done for me. I just positioned it for my liking, and this is the adhesive glue that I use. And then you guys are going to see me using the band that they gave me, the Nadula band. I always recommend you guys to use the bands that these hair companies give because it definitely helps lay down and melt the lace.
Ain't no problem, I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us do?
After that, I went in with my hot comb and I just pressed down certain areas that were just a little bit like, I wouldn't say bulky, but needed just some adjusting. So I just molded that down with my hot comb. And then with this spray here, I'm using my Tresemme holding spray just to, you know, take away those flyaways and just molding everything down in place so that it wouldn't be any type of frizz going on. And so that the flyaways can be just, you know, laid down in its place. But everything was so beautiful on this unit, you guys. I have nothing bad to say about it. Nadula always come through with good quality hair. I would definitely say this is a ready and go type of hair if you don't like wasting your time trying to do a whole install and, you know, all the crazy steps with, you know, doing a wig. I will definitely recommend purchasing this unit. Everything will be listed in my description box as far as the length of this hair, the description of the hair, the link to the hair, and all of that good stuff. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. It's super soft, and I think that it's definitely a everyday type of unit. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you baby dolls in my next video. Bye.